High-speed internet, supersonic jets, instant coffee and noodles. We're living in a fast-paced world, right? But what if I told you that our world is actually slowing down? Time flies when you're having fun, they say. But over the past 100 years, our days have gotten longer. Okay, only by 1.7 milliseconds. But hey, what if a day lasted an entire year? Imagine the possibilities. This is science spectacle. And here's what would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning. First, let's talk about what Earth's rotation actually does for us. Our planet spins at an average speed of 1,000 miles per hour, giving us our night and day. It's not just about sunrises and sunsets, though. Earth's rotation controls wind, tides, and temperatures, which are critical for maintaining the delicate balance of life on Earth. But what if this crucial rotation suddenly stopped? Well, everything that isn't tied down, like cars, buildings, trees, and even you, would go flying eastward at 1,000 miles per hour. Yeah, you heard me right. That's faster than any sports car could go. Imagine winds 4 times stronger than any hurricane ever recorded. We're talking winds that hit 1,000 miles per hour. It would feel like an atomic blast, tearing through everything in its path. In just moments, towering tsunamis would form and sweep over entire cities, with water surging 17 miles inland. But that's just the beginning. Earth's shape isn't a perfect sphere. It's actually wider at the equator due to its rotation. When the Earth stops, all the water in the oceans would rush toward the poles, creating 2 mega-oceans, one in the north and one in the south. Cities like Boston, London, and Moscow, underwater. In this new, unrecognizable world, a giant supercontinent would form along the equator, stretching around the Earth. Sure, it might make travel easier, but there wouldn't be much left for humans to survive on. Resources would be scarce. Agriculture? Forget it. With one side of the Earth facing the sun for 6 months, crops would burn. The other side would be plunged into total darkness for the rest of the year, freezing any surviving plants and animals. But it gets worse. Without Earth's spin, we'd lose our magnetic field. This invisible shield protects us from deadly solar winds and cosmic rays. Without it, the ozone layer would be torn apart, leaving Earth vulnerable to extreme radiation. Life as we know it? Gone. The planet would become a barren wasteland, much like Mars. And speaking of Mars, aren't we trying to live on Mars? Well, Earth would be the next Mars. Funny how things come full circle, right? The truth is, one day, the Earth will stop spinning. Scientists estimate it will happen in about 18.5 billion years. So until then, enjoy every moment you have on this spinning rock. Seize the day, make every night count. And remember, even in a world that seems to be slowing down, time flies when you're having fun. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, don't keep all the fun to yourself. Make sure to share this video with your friends. Spread the curiosity. Lastly, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on more mind-blowing content like this. See you in the next video, and as always, stay curious.